All right, what's up, y'all? What's up? So, for this week, I'm going to be sharing with y'all Euro USD. I also shared with y'all USD CAD in the previous video. If y'all are just now seeing this one and didn't see the USD CAD, head on over to our YouTube channel, and then you guys will see the previous video that I just posted, also for USD CAD as well. So, there's two opportunities for y'all this week, with this one being Euro USD. So, right now, similar to USD CAD on the five-way structure, right now in Euro USD, we are looking at a five-way to now be completed, and we're going to be looking for a retracement and then a continuation down for this week. So I do expect the retracement to happen potentially in an ABC form. If not in ABC form, then we could expect a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 type of retracement into this range. So that's the main thing I want y'all to focus on, is that we're looking for a movement up into this area of interest box. Anywhere in this box, I'm expecting price action to make a reaction back towards the downside. So my main trade opportunity personally for me is going to be inside of this box here. And as always, guys, if y'all are new to the channel, make sure that you guys are followed and subscribe. That way y'all don't miss out on anything. And definitely hit the like button if you guys are enjoying the content that I'm dropping for y'all. Make sure y'all using your own proper risk. Again, these are my personal opinions as far as what I think on my charts and the community that I provide for. So if y'all are new to the videos, then if you look down in the description, you'll see the link to our free Telegram chat room where you can join the community, interact with us a little bit more. Our website is down below, our mentoring package, everything, all information that y'all need, our Instagram, Facebook, all of our social media sites, all are down below. So check the description. You guys can find all of that information down below for y'all. Also, over the next 30 days, everyone who joins the mentoring package, all new students, will also receive 1 month free signals as well. So just want to throw that out there for you guys. So Euro USD will be looking up for a retracement around that 61.8 range and that 78.6, and then a continuation down. Oh, side note. So this past weekend, I did drop y'all an educational on our YouTube page as well. So go to our channel on YouTube, click on our page, scroll down, you'll see it's about Elliott waves. So check out that video. It's like an hour and 10 minutes, y'all. It's really good education. So if you are new to trading and wanting to understand how the market moves, learning how to count waves, different things like that, or just want to learn how to trade Elliott waves in general, the information is down below for y'all. It's literally an hour and 10 minutes. It's completely free. So y'all learn up, get that education. If y'all do want more education, again, y'all have the link to our website down below where you can get access to not just one video, but over literally 60 plus educational videos that I have for my students. So that one video that y'all are seeing that I just posted is only one of the many that my students have access to. So if you do like the education that is in that video, definitely join into our mentoring program, because you're going to get so much more value for the literally one of the lowest prices in the industry. So all of the information for y'all is down below. Cool. So this week, retracement up towards around the 61.8, 78.6 range on Euro USD, and then we're going to be looking for a continuation down. And this is our 16-hour time frame. And this is our daily time frame. So personally, I'm going to be watching this from the 4-hour time frame, because I want to see how price action and the structure builds into this area. I want to see if I'm able to actually see the wave structure as it heads into this range. If I'm able to see it, then I'm able to really pinpoint where exactly I want to try to take this entry. Once it starts to build a little bit more price action, I will then give this out to all of the premium team for a signal once I'm able to see exactly where I want to enter in this zone. I'll probably also update y'all in the chat room as well. So again, the free Telegram chat room is down below, so join up. I'll probably post some charts in there for y'all as well. I'll either post USD CAD or I'll be posting Euro USD in the Telegram chat room community for y'all this week, so y'all can follow along with us. So that's there for y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in to today's educational video for y'all for Euro USD. Again, we're looking for a retracement towards the upside and then a continuation down off of the 5-wave structure. So all right, y'all, peace out. Y'all have a great rest of y'all trading week.